hire an attorney, you're an idiot. Why? Because if you had any sense, you wouldn't be in court to start with. There's something bigger going on here. Anything that you would call American law is in corpus juris secundum, period. Corpus juris secundum says, under the heading of attorney and client, an attorney has an obligation to the courts and to the government, no less significant than his obligation to his clients. His first duty is to the courts and to the government and not to his client. And whatever duties his client may conflict with those he owes as an officer of the court, the former must yield to the latter. If you hire an attorney and you don't like what's happening in the court, then you got nothing to say about it. A client is one who applies to an attorney or a lawyer or a counselor for advice in the direction of question of law. A client is also called a ward of the court. So if you hire an attorney, you're a client. And if you're a client, the law says you are a ward of the court. Why is this important? Because in Black's Law Dictionary, it says a ward of the court is an infant or person of unsound mind. Why do we have a court? You play basketball and tennis on a court. How do you play tennis on a court? With a racket. Why? The whole thing's a racket. You think they use these terms by chance? You better go back and do your homework.